Hello all. Today's topic related with subscription manager. Subscription manager basically main feature that all Red Hat subscription comes with upgrades, customer portal security and access to the knowledge base. So you can download the images for RHS 7 onwards for Red Hat, and even then some are license based, but if you will create login, then you can download particular package, you can search the package and you can download the images and any other more on this. And so as it will work like the customer portal. If you want licenses, some licenses, then you can licenses apply with Red Hat. But for some licenses there is an organization requirement, not for the individual, so you need to check the Red Hat uh, essentials. So here we'll talk on this first. For example, if there is a requirement for Red Hat examination, then you need a credential. They will register exam on your credential. So for credential need to try this page redhat.com, or in Google you can search how to create the credential, how to or create a Red Hat login. That is the perfect word. And Google there will show one link. This link will come here, and here there is some information required. As a security basis, I am not filling this form. Already I have an account, so multiple accounts is not a good practice. So that's why this you need to fill this form. For example, someone has no information of the company, so they will give a your corporate offices or any other company name or your name. And after this, whenever you will fill this, then you will submit, one account will create. After this create a account and you log in on your server, then just you need to, for this server, like will show like this. And if you will show this pwd, nothing is there. Okay, that is in the root, and this information will display the like this. This is http on this registration to subscription. Whenever you run the command, basically what command for registration? Subscription hyphen manager and hyphen username, then username, for example abc, then hyphen password, the password for abc @123. For security reason, I will not give my username and password. This not to be display, and this is I don't want this any say, I don't want any the similarity of the username. And maybe even the user, no, some student and some others, they will create a like the same username and password only seen this. That's why I'm avoiding this. Okay, so this is a command basic to create your subscription manager username, abc and password. Then this server G will register, and this will show like the registering to subscription for this. And whenever it's registered, then id will, and the server name is server G. So this message will appear. After this, one requirement to register a pool means that is the pool. Basically, for example, its contents for container, for this Kubernetes, and for uh, Ansible. So you need to give a pool id and register with the pool id. So pool id belongs to you. Whenever you will see, this pool id will display. For example, if you will see the status of subscription manager, so subscription hyphen manager, subscription hyphen manager, then status. That is the command to check the status of the particular subscription manager with the status. Need to wait some time. So you can see the system detail. Always it will show disabled. You will show in this access mode is list to simple content access. SCA is required, so do not worry about this message. It means your message, your system is registered. Okay, so after this you can check or you can register the command. For example, subscription manager not a status, but you want to register your machine in your office, then they will provide your activation key and the key name. So hyphen activation hyphen key, this key you will provide by vendor. So this will give by your manager, or if you are manager then you have to connect with Red Hat. Activation hyphen key default hyphen name. So name means here the basically some name means basically value. This will be value means basically this will be mix of alphanumeric, and after this value then hyphen organization. This command actually very critical, and it is not over the in Google and anywhere. An organization is equal to num value, any numeric value. This is provided by your organization by your manager, which is they've given. So this is basically so this will nothing mess. So this is the command. And another, if you want to unregister, so for unregistered register, you have to give this subscription manager hyphen unregister. Then you will, as this machine was registered, now it is unregistered and clean. So that is the matter to registered and unregistered. अब now come on enable and disable of the repo. Sometimes repo need to enable and disable. So you will register the command, register the machine in your organization from this. After this you will run the command dnf repo list. So dnf repo list will show the registry. This is for repository. Here this repository is configured, that's why it's showing like this. And repository, suppose for example repository is not enabled, some repository need to enable. Sometimes customer repository need to enable, it's added by default. Then subscription hyphen manager, then repos, then hyphen enable is equal to id, repo id. You can see just command why run this command, this repo id, here some id. For example, if app id, then you have to give here app id name, repo id. So this is enable, and for disable the same command. Rather than enable, you has to use here disable. So this is about enabling and disabling, and I'm telling this some command. For example, you need to download as here access redhat.com and slash downloads. So let me put, already I logged in, so this will directly you take on the page on here. So this will not ask my credential, actually I am already logged in. So this is directly to here, these are the number of projects, and you can click on this, then this will show download latest. Otherwise you can choose and you can go in another version like Red Hat Archer 7, 8, 9, what you want, latest one. So this is about the download, products download. Now I'm coming on back here, management. You can see here in top corner, this is subscription. When you will click on this subscription, then you will get this page. So how many allocation are in your organization, you can click on this tab. This will show you number of licenses, and subscription inventory is here. So you can see this, what is allowed to the download or to this subscription inventory. This is how many are inventory by provided by the Red Hat. So hope this concept is clear all of you. Screen. So you all seen management, subscription, and all Red Hat content, and the machine, how to register that machine. So this is all about for the subscription management. And commands, if you want number of commands, so I believe commands are not necessary. Actually in the number of materials are available in Google, so you can download from there, but that is a basic method how to register a machine, how to create a login, and how to download the images, and how to check the licenses. Thank you all. We'll see you in next class or next session.